up our bat. One of my favorite Teslas and favorite people, and while we're at it, rest in peace, Honda S660. Welcome back.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Hi, Misha.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. So before we talk about this, let's talk about this actually while we're at it. You had a bit of a very big misfortune last year, but let's not talk about bad stuff. Talk about good stuff. You have another car coming.
Yes, I have another one, S60. This time manual.
Yeah.
Waiting for me already in Brennenhaven port. Just
Wow.
to be collected. Manual. I have a HKS kit with 100 horsepower already ready, just
Nice.
to be put in. So, you know, Nankang RSR NS 2Rs.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice.
To be put. So, you know, everything being prepared for May.
I love seeing this big smile on your face after what happened last year. That's what it's all about. Just if you fall, just get up and run harder, definitely. But today we have another car, your Tesla Model 3 Performance, the updated Highland, version that we have done already 2 times, I think.
3 times.
3 times.
Without the brakes,
With the brakes.
and the endurance mode.
Endurance mode, where we had a nice Genesis Chase Lab taxi. That was very, very cool. What's different now?
So now we have proper tires.
CRS.
CRS.
On the back we run.
It's all square setup.
Okay, 245,
35,
20.
Plus we have the Mountain Pass Performance camber arms.
Nice.
So with a proper alignment. 2
Wow.
degrees front, 2 degrees rear.
Nice.
Camber. Plus the bushings from them as well, and few small things here and there. So
Very
you
cool.
know.
Very, very cool.
I'm really looking forward to what you will say about
Yeah.
how the car handles.
I'm excited. I'm excited to feel it out. So I guess that's all there is to it. Maybe like a quick recap. Power-wise, they are at.
They say 461 horsepower, but electric ones are different. So you know, you have it from 0.
Yeah, you never know.
But with endurance mode, it's kind of dynamic, limited power with speed, more speed, less power. So it's kind of like nobody knows the profile.
All right.
But it's enough.
Yeah. Let's get inside and show me what kind of mods we will be running. So, because that's always, you can do so many different things.
So we have the track mode and basically just the stability assist off. The
with Notchlifer mode,
called Notchlifer increased powertrain endurance. So that's the endurance mode, which will give you kind of like 1.5 laps where you can really send it. And I got for my wife the best modification ever, the stalk from Enhance.
Okay, so what does it do?
Just the blinkers.
Oh, okay, really? Because usually you need to use
the wipers. So in Highlands you don't have a stalk, and you know my wife was not happy about it at all. So I have to save my marriage.
Nice.
So you know that's the way. All the guys in Highlands who as well have their wives driving the Tesla with the stalks. Just get them and they will be happy.
Epic. Well, I'm gonna try it. Just a reminder while we're speaking about stocks, indicate where you're gonna drive. If you want to overtake, you indicate to the left, ideally to show the car behind you that you want to go for a pass. If there is like enough of communication time, and if you're driving ahead and there's a faster car behind you, indicate where you're gonna stay, and most of the time it is on the left side, on the right side, because you can only pass on the left. Trying to think of mirrored things. Anyway, let's put all of that in practice and go for a lap. Ready, welcome aboard of Tesla Model 3 Performance. Yeah, what can I say? Excited to drive this car again, 4th time after driving it 2 earlier times. So let's see. We have on board, first of all, we have Draghi that will show us G-forces, the map for you. We have also onboard screen recording of the car itself, like we included last time, that can tell you all the features of the car. So let's proceed, see how it goes. All right, kind of excited to feel out the extra camber, the grippier Lancang CRS tires. Should be nice. In general, it's been a very good opening weekend and opening weekend of 2026 TF. Oh, the brakes are really good, so I need to really remember how to operate those, and also very direct steering of this car. Come on. Woohoo! Very, very, very cool. Behind us also Charoudin from PhD Racing in the M2. Much more aero with similar amount of horsepower, although this is much more direct. He has definitely more corner ability and stability. Although this is a very good setup. This is very nice. Woohoo! You know what? I'm gonna just shut up and focus on the lap. Nice rotation there. Up our bat. I love the handling of this car, honestly. All right, first impressions. I really love it. We can hear the brakes, maybe. Hope the brakes are okay. No, I genuinely love it. The handling is really, really nice. The car is really capable. The extra camber makes it so nice. Oh, someone spilled oil. Shock, it's an E36. Looking at you, Gio. Well, at least everyone's okay. It's just some oil spillage, so. Alright. Just gonna let Jackie catch up. Well, I'm sure he'll be fine. Looking forward to seeing the footage from behind, how the car rotates. curb in the carousel. A bit too much. Fun. That was super cool. Awesome. The car is super capable. I know the thing is with EVs, you need to be more, for content purposes, more talkative about how everything performs, how everything drives, and you name it, because there is no sound to keep you engaged. But for me, this is my lap number 6 maybe of this season. Using the stock, and I really wanted to use this one also for me, not just content creation, because next weekend, or essentially tomorrow, the following day, not next weekend, tomorrow, but today is Sunday, and next time I'll be driving this track will be Friday, which is going to be NLS. So I need to lock in and actually use this time also not only just for fun and content creation, but also for myself, to get a bit of an advantage, to get used to the track and driving and everything. So I was doing more of that, but I had so much fun seeing him following us, me really using all the millimeters of the track, because I felt very confident in the car, what it was doing, what it would do, what it would not do. So fantastic setup. The only thing we're missing now is actually a bit more power, but yeah, I don't think you can fix that. But so great, because you have the corner speed due to the extra camber of the mountain pass performance. You have the grip with the Nanking CRS tires. You have great rotation due to regenerative braking, so you can lift, but it actually brakes even a bit more. It simulates sort of the motor braking like you would have on a traditional car. And when you go on the gas, right now the car is set up to be 55% to the back and 45% to the front. So almost 50-50, but still just extra oomph to get you that rotation, but not to oversteer because it's the traction was fully off. So I really loved it, really enjoyed it. Like for myself, it was really good. But of course we're missing sound like this. All right, thanks for watching, and I had fun. I'm looking forward seeing the footage of PhD racing of Jackie Ding. I always want to call him Jackie X. Maybe one day he's gonna be as great, who knows. Yeah, maybe we can include some teasers in here. So yeah, check them out. They also are a distributor of Vulcan Alpha products in the US. So if you want to talk aero, go to them. All right.